On today's product review, I got a Vibrant 3-inch V-band clamp. I'm gonna tell you why I love these things. Check it out. So today, I got a Vibrant V-band clamp kit. I use Vibrant V-band kits on everything that I can. They got a few cool features that I really like, and I'll start here. This is for my car. This is a 3-inch. These are the V-band male and female. That's a cool feature of these V-band halves. There's a lip. There's a male lip on that half. This is obviously the female side. We're just two genders now, just male and female per President Trump. Got it? So this makes it really awesome. Camera putting these together. They lock in there. It's awesome. So that's pretty simple on this piece. They go together awesome. The other thing I really love about the Vibrant stuff is the clamp itself. I didn't have any of that on the camera. Holy smokes. So the clamp, this is super key right here. When this is loosened up, and it's loose enough to take tension off the release clamp, bam. You don't have to take the darn nut all the way off and slide it out of the other side of the capture on this side. It's just loose enough to release that. I love that. The other awesome thing about the Vibrant pieces, so you see the T-bolt here, and there's a nut. There's also another nut that comes with these. Sometimes, you know, these are subject to a lot of heat and a lot of stress, and you tighten them up super tight. Sometimes the threads will get boogered up. Probably like using an impact to take them, put them on, take them off stuff may booger up the threads. But so if you do, and the threads are boogered up, and you get to like here, and it doesn't have enough off tension to release this, and the threads are jammed up, locked up, well, you could just smoke through this and cut it apart. And you can buy, see if I can show this real good. You can buy a spare T-bolt and the two nuts that come with it. I usually get on the Vibrant's website, and I get the part numbers of the stuff I want. I go to Summit, dial in the part number. The same stuff on Vibrant's website is pretty expensive, but it's very reasonable through Summit. And like, these are a couple super awesome keys to a really awesome V-band clamp, is the quick release and being able to buy this spare piece. Just in case you get jammed up at the track and you're in a hurry, you gotta take something off, put something back on, it gets messed up, cut it off real quick, go to the toolbox, grab another T-bolt, nuts, put her together, you're good to go. So that's it for today. It's been a while since I did a product review. I got some other stuff in mind, been super busy with a lot of other things. I don't want to make this video too long. That's plenty of information, but Vibrant V-band clamp kits. And you can buy these pieces separate. You don't have to buy a whole kit. You can get a female half, a male half. You can buy clamps. You can buy bolts, the kits. You can get it however you need it. So that's all for this one. Catch you on the next one.